Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 26th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the 4-hour time frame, I definitely think this is a wave one, wave two. We're currently in the wave three. We're approaching this 123 area, which I think could be an area of resistance, and plus it's the 150 zone. Those round numbers definitely do usually cause a reaction. But I don't really think it has to stop here. It could go up to the 138. It could even go up and take out the previous highs at this point, especially if this really is a wave three. Wave three is supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend. So taking it down to the 1-hour time frame, I definitely would still be recommending nothing but longs. If it makes like a very clear double top at a fib level and then goes down and gives you a break of structure, then okay, at that point you can start looking for shorts, but we definitely do not have that. And it potentially could do something like this. It could do this and then break and then come back and then just continue to make higher highs, higher lows. So, especially when you're in a wave three, definitely keep in mind that the trend is your friend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.